Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, today we are in for hopefully a very interesting discussion in the context of GST law. The question to be answered is whether assignment of leasehold rights is liable to GST. The arguments of the taxpayer is that it is not. It is covered by Schedule 3 and therefore not considered as a supply of goods or service and not liable to GST. The arguments of the department is that, on the contrary, it is a supply of service, it is a sublease and therefore covered by Schedule 2 and therefore liable to GST. Now, what did the Bombay High Court say? In the recent decision of the Nagpur bench, it was held that this transaction of assignment of leasehold rights is in fact a transfer of immovable property and therefore not liable to GST. Now, there are a lot of questions which remain unanswered. Question number 1. These assignments of leasehold rights, how is it treated under other laws? Is it an immovable property transaction under Transfer of Property Act or under the Registration Act 1908? These questions are not answered by this case, whereas these are discussed in some other case, most notably that of the Gujarat High Court. Question number 2. Are these transactions, even assuming they are considered as a service, are they a supply of service rather? Especially, mostly what happens is that when such assignment happens, the transferor usually winds down his business. So is it in the course or furtherance of business? Now, question number 3. Even assuming it is in the course or furtherance of business and assuming it is a supply and assuming it is a service also, is it a taxable supply of service or an exempt supply? Is it covered by the exemption entry in notification number 12 of 2017, wherein especially such leasehold rights are given by or allotted by state industrial undertakings? There are exemption entries covering this. So these questions remain unanswered by this case law. But the most important question remains: will this decision of the Bombay High Court stand the test of time? Will it stand the scrutiny of the Supreme Court?